Hey guys, it's Alex with OttoEx, and today this is a very cool, great conditioned Hiace. It's a 1993 Toyota Hiace, super custom, but this isn't just any super custom. This is the Living Saloon EX, which was kind of the second highest trim level, and basically comes with a few bells and whistles. It's nothing super crazy like the Super Custom Limited, but it's a good balance between luxury and utility. So I'm going to give you a little walk around here, kind of show you all angles of the rig as best I can. It's optioned with the chrome wheels. These are original factory decals. As you can see, they're in pretty sweet shape. Along the sides, it's two-tone champagne, super white trim paint job. And like many of the other ones, it's an 8-seater with a versatile seating arrangement. The middle bench will rotate 360, so you get that forwards or backwards dinette facing seating configuration. It can also face sideways, so you're just set up with it facing right out the window. So I'll give you a quick look inside here. So as you can see, it's got that plush red velour interior. Very smooth, very nice. Nice to touch and comfortable. Looking down, as per standard with our rigs, original Toyota floor mats. Again, super heavy duty fabric on the seats. Not only is it durable, but it's just very cozy. So this one is an automatic with a transfer case for high and low. Comes with the 2.8 liter 3L Toyota diesel engine. It's a naturally aspirated diesel. Glove box. And it also has sunroofs. So looking up, we have one hatch that pops open. And back here, we have another right up top. More like a moonroof. It's quite expansive. It's really awesome, actually. So let's look in the back. Slide this open for you. Give you a better view here of the seating arrangement. So you've got this little jump seat here, which, you know, if you want to get in the back, you just pop this guy, slides right forward, and boom, you're sitting back here on this nice comfy bench with a pull-out armrest. Again, all original floor mats throughout. If you can't tell already, I'm a sucker for floor mats. So you've got the side bench here. Now both of these fold back flat. What you do is you take off these headrests and they fold flush right into that bench. So it's kind of a makeshift bed. What I like to do and have done is throw on a little foam topper and then you're set up for the night. And to go with that, you see there's curtains all around. Now these are factory curtains. Came like this. Manual. They're not the power curtain option, but they get the job done. They'll give you some added privacy as you're camping out in this thing, if you choose to. So looking ahead here, we've got your steering wheel, cluster, dash assembly. Temperature gauges there, reading outside and inside temperatures. cup holders for those of you cup people out there. And of course, the rear heating controls. So you as a passenger can control not only heat, but looking up top, you've got your AC controls too. And a little bonus storage compartment to hide your goods. Taking another look back. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hop around and I'm going to show you guys the cockpit. We'll start up the engine so you can hear what that sounds like. And then we'll go from there. All right. So let's pop in. Again, driver's side door card. Smooth. Got your window lock, your auto up and down driver's side window. $138,946 kilometers. So that puts you around, I want to say 84,000 original miles. Now we've just done our whole tune-up to this rig, which includes all new fluids, filters, transmission fluid was flushed, new oil, new fuel filter. Everything was serviced, so it's essentially road trip ready. We go through all of our vehicles in pretty great detail, and we spare no expense. Every nook and cranny is investigated. I'm super picky with these personally. So here we are, Toyota factory key, original. So we'll start this up, wait for the glow plug lights to click off. There they go. As you can see, it's a quiet engine. Stout. It's no speed demon, but it'll get you A to B without many problems. So, Hiace locking hubs to switch and engage your four-wheel drive. You engage that with this four-wheel drive button here. Press that, twist the hubs, and you're cruising. This also has power mirrors, folding driver's side mirror, and ECT, which will change your gearing to slightly higher if you happen to be towing things or people, or you just want a higher shift point. So that's the rig. We've had a few of these in different trims, different colors, different packages. But this is definitely one of the cleaner ones, and I love the way this looks in white. It's a beautiful rig, and it's ready for a new home, for sale here in Portland, Oregon, by us at OttoEx. Thanks for watching. We love making these, and as always, stay tuned for more.